Nano Babu Kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we promote businesses here in Pampanga, especially this quarantine period. So another business gave us their product for us to try today, and they are from Dip and Go by ADM. Guys, if you don't know ADM, they are one of the premier catering services dito po sa Pampanga, and we have been following them on some of their events. And right now, since we are transitioning into the new normal, they have begun to develop their products, their own products. So the first one, they call it stuffed chicken wings. And then the other one is called Fillet Go Fish. Ayan. So if you notice guys, these are ready to cook meals. Once we receive the product, we cook it very easily, and then we enjoy it right after it is cooked. So, speaking of cooking, let's go to the kitchen. Tara, samahan niyo ako. From our kitchen, back to our vlogging room. Here are the finished products. Again, we have chicken and meron tayong fish fillet. Actually guys, this is supposed to be 5 pieces, pero kaninang nasa kitchen ako, medyo tinikman ko na siya, so hindi na ako nakapagtigil pa. Included sa mga orders po natin are their dips or sauces. I am actually a little familiar with their mango sauce kasi natikman ko na to minsan nung sinundan namin sila sa isa sa kanilang mga events. And I'm talking about ADM Catering Services. But anyway, for today's vlog again, we would like to thank Dip and Go. It's a very new business and they are growing fast. If you're interested to do business with them, make sure to check out their fan page or call the number flashing on your screens right now. But nonetheless, let's taste them. Actually, ako yung nagluto dito. So, I'm not a cook. It's not that perfect. But anyway, yeah. So let's start with the chicken. There you go. So I have reached to the point where you can actually bite the cheese. Oh, wow. Actually guys, the package doesn't come with the lemon. Presentation purposes, we included the lemon. Baka hanapin niyo po kasi sa mga packages. And since meron din naman kami, it's always good to, you know, add a little bit of zest sa mga fried food. So yeah, we'll try it. Like that. Now let's try their, you know, fish fillet. Let's taste it. Oh wow. So there you have it guys. As I always say, more than you watching me eat this video, I would like you to experience this as well. Take advantage of the current system during this quarantine period. These delicious meals are available via delivery or order or meetup or pickup. Just check out their fan page para po malaman nyo yung mga details on how to, you know, get this. And if you are interested to do business with them, I think they are looking for distributors right now. Given their mother business or their parent business, ADM has a great reputation as well. So you are assured na the food they produce are in high quality. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Monta mo po. See you in our next video. Bye!